So we're looking here to phantom. We can say here the crypto crash is coming. Let me look here more inside. Important for you is the level until, let me look, August. Yeah. For you is important that you understand the structure here until August. Give me a little time. Hoi hoi, this is interesting. That is really interesting here. So for you, again, understand the structure here. The problem here at Phantom is we have a huge downtrend here. So since June, we have here a sideways movement. In real, this sideways movement is an uptrend. Yeah, you can see extreme manipulation of these levels here, and extreme manipulation from the last step. Yeah, you can see the price is manipulated. In real, we have to go here to these levels, but you can see the price is so manipulated that we're staying here in this triangle. And the next step is we will break this triangle to the downside. The price will fall out of range. Especially if you look to this is a horrible, horrible formation. And if you look to the past, then the 21 of December or 21 of January was a good day that the price is going here to the downside. So we have 2 days. One day is 21 of December that the price is crashing to the downside, or you can see 21 of January. This is exactly this, yeah, that the price breaks here down. So I want to look here more in detail to understand this better and to give you the best information, yeah. So from the technical point of view, we have since, let me look, since September 2021, a downtrend, but the whales, they manipulate the price. So in this case, so much that you see that this uptrend, how can I say, end here at January 2022. So since then we have a downtrend, and the last action or the last movement, like compare with this here, we have here. And this is a extreme, how can I say, negative, big inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. This is an absolute worst formation. We get this formation, let me look, from here. Yeah. So the cryptos go here to the sideways, then they make a big hammer, and since then, normally we have the situation that the price have to go here to the downside, but since then we get here a manipulation that is going only sideways, and that's the problem. You can see here the end game, and if you look here more inside, then you can recognize that here exactly at May, June begin our negative area. Normally this is an uptrend, but they manipulate this to the downside, and that what we see here exactly on these places here is extreme bullish. Yeah, bullish, bullish, bullish. But here in this case, the last trend is negative. Let me look. Yes, I would say we're going here to the downside, break this, make a retest, the last movement, and then the bull run will begin. Then we will break this from this here, and the price will fly. But this year, how far we can go here to the downside, please request this in the vol price target. So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price, a short view. It is clear, the price will smash here to the downside, especially if you look to this, if you make only retest. This is, how can I describe this? A horrible crash will come. So you can see here the manipulation, exact same behavior what we saw here. This was also um, a hammer like this, a hammer like this, and this will not hold. We will smash really hard to the downside. That is clear. The problem, well, if you want, we can look here inside that you understand this. Look, let me look. So they manipulate the price to this level, okay? Then the price will come back to the downside. You can see the uptrend is broke. This will not hold, even if we see, okay, the price is here at these levels, the price will come back, yeah, like this to the downside. And exact on this level here, you can see 21 of December, 22 of December, the market will crash. If this is not happening, then the whales can stretch this to the new year and let the price down at 21 of January. Yeah. So these two possibilities we have here, but in my eyes, clear red signals the price of Bitcoin will smash here to the downside. The event, now we know this, yeah, the price will go here to the downside. So what kind of event this can be? Maybe the same what happens with FTX, that Binance is going to zero like FTX, yeah. That the elites invent an event and say, okay, what we can do that the price of Bitcoin can go here to the downside. So okay, so we put FTX down. So the next target is Binance. Yeah. I think there is a lot of scam in the cryptocurrency exchanges because the old world is manipulate the crypto exchange or a crypto world huge. Yeah. So these people have money and manipulate also the crypto area. And the problem is you as customer, you have uh, no energy, or how can I say, not the instruments to say, okay, I wanna not make a trade and protest. Yeah. So you can see from the FTX fiasco, many of the people lost their life savings, and who cares? Yeah, nobody cares about these people, and that's the sad information here. But this is another topic. Okay. From the technical point of view, we have to go here to the downside, and the next target for Bitcoin is in direction of 14,000. But the 14,000 is not the end target. This is only the next target. The price will smash here really hard to the downside. Yeah. Become a Wolf price target member, and you get here the end targets from my side. And especially if you look here to this formation is horrible negative. Have a nice day. See you later.